Hey guys, I'm going to show you my ridiculous little measure here to get filtered water through Alexa. So this is our Adams spot-free water system, and I know this is over the top, so just don't judge me at all. But this spot-free water system has these manual valves that require you to turn on and off to bypass the filter, right? So when I want to pressure wash the floor or something, just blow dirt out or, clean the floors of the shop, oftentimes the door's shut or something, I don't want to come out here and turn these valves. So I created this system. This is for our mister system. If you've seen our other video, this is filtered water that mists out to bring PPF debris eliminate PPF debris during PPF installs. But this is a gauge that says how much water is coming through, and we can get about 896 gallons out of this Adams spot free at our current TDS, and I have a video about that as well. But what happens is when I tell Alexa certain routines, what will happen is this is the inlet water from the house, and it gets split, and then if I tell it to filter dirty water, it shuts off this valve, which is the clean inlet valve, and it shuts off the clean outlet valve so it can't recirculate back in. It turns on the dirty valve, so this water then filters directly through to the pressure washer as dirty. Now if I say, to filter the water, this turns off, so this is now blocked, and the water is forced, and then this turns on and this turns on, so the water is now forced to go through the filtration system out, and then it can't get it doesn't recirculate because this is closed, and then it goes to the pressure washer clean. And so that's my ridiculous setup to prevent me from having to go outside. And yes, these are something like $40 or $50 a piece, and all the splitters and everything. But that's the price you pay for laziness. And what I'll tell you is that money will pay for itself in the amount of times that I don't come out here to shut off these valves, and I end up pressure washing dirt off the floor with filtered water, which is completely unnecessary.